Pay attention to the type of installation that corresponds to rear valance. Glued rear valance is characterized by 3M tape on the edge and the lack of other mounting protrusions. Prepare the installation kit and the necessary tools. Dismantle the original rear valance. Place the rear valance on the bumper in place of the original. From the bottom, put the protruding handles on the original mounting screws. Check carefully the fit of the rear valance to the bumper. Use masking tape to mark the edge of the rear valance on the bumper. Degrease and clean the bonding surface. If there is a PPF foil or ceramic coating on the paint, cut out a piece of the foil or remove a piece of the ceramic coating so that the 3M tape is stuck directly to the car's paint. Peel off small pieces of the protective film from the 3M tape so that they can be easily removed during assembly. Place the rear valance on the bumper according to the marked outline. After adjusting the position of the rear valance, gradually remove the protective film from the 3M tape while pressing the rear valance against the bumper. Slightly tilt the glued rear valance from the bottom and place the support on the screw protruding from the rear valance so that the bent end of the support rests on the inner edge of the bumper. Then use a washer and nut to secure the support in place. Repeat this step on the other side. Place the protruding rear valance handles on the original mounting screws and remove a piece of the protective film from the handles. Use washers and nuts to secure the handles on the screws. In the place where the side part off the rear valance overlaps the side part of the bumper, make a hole through the rear valance and bumper. Insert a bolt into the hole and use a washer and nut to screw the whole thing together tightly. Repeat on the other side. Remove the protective film from the rear valance. Done.